Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking guys, much appreciated as always. I'm going to show you today guys a method of making a tripod or bipod which is really strong. It's the wrap and frap method, okay? Now if you've seen some of my previous videos, you would have seen me using a method where I make a loop of paracord with a fisherman's knot, put it over the 2 or 3 legs and use one of the legs as a ratchet. Now that's fine around camp for basic chores, okay? So you want to hang up a water bladder or something like that. So this wrap and frap method is really strong. So say for instance you were making a raised bed, or you wanted to hang your enemies up ready for flaying. This method is really strong, okay? It's pretty simple and I'm going to run through it nice and slow just so you pick it up nice and easy, okay? Let's get started. So as you can see guys, I've got 3 equal lengths of some beach, okay? And it does help if you put it up on something, okay? It doesn't have to be a log. Just put it up on something, it just makes life easier, okay? So this is going to be the top end here. This is where we're going to do a wrapping and a frapping. Right, so I got myself about 8 foot of paracord, right guys? So taking one of the legs, I'm just going to tie. This is the way I do it, see guys? A simple granny knot. So that's secure on there. So that's the first thing you do, and I like to come down about 4 inches, okay? So this is where the brace comes in handy. So we're going to wrap round, going down, okay? Tightening up after each wrap. Gonna dress it up as we go in, okay? So there's 3. There's 4. Here's 5. 5 should do it, okay? So we've wrapped down 5 times. So we come across the ear now, stop it there with your thumb, okay? So now we start the frapping. It's a bit tricky guys, but it's worth it for the strength. We're going to go around once. Hold on, we've got a bunch in here. Once. Twice. Here we go. This is number 2, sorry guys. If you want to use a toggle to tighten it up, just wrap round and tension it up like that, see? Nice and tight. There's some air for now. So what we do now guys, right? We come across, but we don't want to cross over like that. We just want to go under here to start. Just pull the legs apart. There's once. Using a toggle again. Come on guys, just stop and not be stuck. There we go. So what you don't want to do, guys, you don't want them bunching up, see? You want them in a straight line. Now stop or not, it's causing me some problems. Nice and tight. There we go. So now is drum tight there, right guys? So I want to finish off with a clove edge, right? So make a loop, make a cross, and come up through the cross. Tighten it down. So that's the clove edge on there now, okay? If you want to put a stopper knot on here now, you can. Just tie it loosely, like so, and pull it down to the clove edge. Nice and slow. Like so. So that's complete now, guys. That's solid as a rock. Here we go. Solid. So there you go, guys. So that's not going anywhere. So as I say, that will now support a lot of weight, guys. That will support a lot of weight. I say if you want to use it to make a raised bed, that's ideal. I have made a raised bed without any cordage using tripod. I'll put a card up here, okay? Yeah, that'll take a lot of weight. So if you want to use it to hold a bladder or to hold a cooking pot, make a loop, fisherman's knot over top, and use an arm to rotate. That suffice, okay? That will hold that. But as I said, if you want to prop your enemies up to skin them, if you need an hand to do that, give me a shout. I've done it before. Or if you want to make a raised bed, ideal, absolutely perfect for that. So that's how you wrap and frap, guys. You don't have to use paracord. You can use number 36 bank line. That's also strong stuff, okay? I'll show you around there. So there you go, guys, that was easy enough, wasn't it? A nice strong tripod. So just go down 5 times around twice round the legs, okay? So you go around twice there and twice there. As I say, you don't have to use paracord, guys. You can use number 36 bank line, but make sure it's strong, okay? So that's that. So thanks for watching this little video, guys. Much appreciated as always. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. There's a lot more stuff to come. I've got some fantastic products to show you, all quite cheap as well. So I'll see you on the outside. Thanks for watching, guys. Out.